Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on Samsung keyboard sounds in Samsung Galaxy A55. So where to look for our sound options and how to turn them on or off. We need to go to Settings. In Settings we are looking for Sounds and Vibration menu. In here, in System Sounds, we have our options. As you can see, touch interaction, dialing keypad, and system Samsung keyboard. We can turn sounds here, and now we can safely go back. We can close everything. No need to save. No need to save this setting. The phone will remember it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.